Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Okay, let's start. Today we will start with our new topic of grammar name nouns. So, noun is a name of a person, place, or a thing. So, noun can be a person, any place, or anything. These are also called naming words. So, we can tell them naming words also. We have one example here. Pangu pretends to go to Paris to see the Eiffel Tower. Here, Pangu is a noun, Paris is a noun because this is a name of a place. Eiffel Tower is a place of a name. So, these are all particular name of places. So, these are nouns. Here we have example. Read the following words carefully and circle the nouns. So, we already circled here. Pangu is the name of a person or a animal. Pond, a thing. House, a thing. So, these are all the nouns which I have already circled. Further, we have types of nouns. There are different types of nouns. So, we will discuss firstly here common nouns and proper nouns. First is common noun. Common nouns are the names given in common to all people, places, animals and things of same kind are called common nouns. So, any place, any animal that is common to all. Okay, that is common to all is called a common noun. For example, this is a boy. So, here boy is a common noun and his name is Rohit. Rohit is a proper noun because boy is name for all the boys. Boy can be a Rohit, boy can be a Mohit, but boy is common for all the boys. So, it comes in the category of common noun. Now, proper noun. Proper nouns are naming of particular people, places, animals or things. So, here we are discussing about the particular. Particular means that specialize particular people or place. Here we give the same example. This is a boy, his name is Rohit. Here boy is again a common noun and Rohit is a proper noun. Here boy and Rohit both are nouns, but boy is a common noun as we discussed, but Rohit a proper noun because Rohit is the special name of a particular boy. Here Rohit is a special name or a particular name of a boy. So if there is a Mohit, then it will also comes in the category of proper noun. These special names are called proper nouns. All proper noun starts with capital letter. So when we will write, then we will start with the first is capital letter. Like Rohit, Delhi. Delhi is also a proper noun. Sunday is the name of a day, is also a proper noun. Taj Mahal, T is in capital. So this is also a proper noun. So these all are comes in the category of proper noun. Here we have a table that shows us the difference between common noun and proper noun. Common noun, festival. So festival can be different type of festivals. So here festival represent only festivals because festival is common for all the festival like Holi, Diwali, Eid. So these are all proper noun because Holi is a special name of special festival. Diwali is also a special name for particular festival. Eid is same. month. Month is common for all, so we have different months like April. So April is a particular name of a month. December is also a particular name of a month. Like here, day is common to all the day. Language is common to all the languages like English, Hindi, Punjabi. Monument, we have different monuments like Red Fort, Taj Mahal. Okay, so river is also common to all. We have different types of river like Ganga, Yamuna. So these are particular nouns. Newspaper is also common to all the newspapers like Times of India is a particular newspaper. India Today is also a particular newspaper. So I think with this table, difference between common noun and proper noun is clear. I hope you all understand what is noun and the two types of nouns. Thank you.